It looks like a real roller coaster, a lot of ups and downs, going to from very successful investments back to the entry point, almost, right?
For sure. I mean, I had projects that did 100x, and I had projects that were 100x and went down to zero, complete zero. So yeah, in crypto, you win some, you lose some, and you hope that you win more than you lose.
But definitely it was a stage on your journey where you understood a lot of things. From my perspective, is way harder to manage when you are profitable than when you are, let's say, losing towards the entry point. Like when you have the ability to press three buttons and cash out 200k or even more, is way harder to manage that feeling of not doing it and stay calm.
There's the natural greed. They always think, but what happens if it does 10x from here? I made 100,000 or 200,000, but maybe I can make 1 million or 2 million. Should I cash out now, later? And then later it goes down and you're like, I should have cashed out. Or when you do cash out, then it goes up and you're like, I should have stayed.
And now how do you approach this kind of emotions? Like how do you manage?
So the key is to always take some profit. If your investment makes you a profit, take some money out, make sure that you covered your initial investment plus a little, and then let the rest, continue if you believe in the project long term. If not, which some projects are not long term, then you cash out everything.
Just to put your mind in a more peaceful mood.
Yes, that way at least I recovered my money and made money. So worst case scenario, the rest goes to zero. You're still in a profit.
That's absolutely right. Yes, indeed is a good strategy, which I follow too. It's a very good way of doing investments, just trying to cover your investments as soon as possible, your basic one, the principal, and then just play the cards with the market.
Yes, that's the key for in investments. Not to lose, get your money back, and then the rest is gravy.
Indeed.